Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Benefits of breastfeeding for babies and mothers. Breastfeeding's purpose goes beyond just feeding the baby's appetite and helps in bonding and attachment. Let's take a look at how breastfeeding benefits both mother and baby. Benefits of breastfeeding for baby. Benefit 1. Complete source of nutrition. Breast milk has the right balance of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals that are easier to digest and absorb for the baby. Benefit 2. Boosts immunity. Breast milk is rich in vital antibodies required to fight off infections, allergies, thereby strengthening the baby's immune system. Benefit 3. Bonding with the mother. Breastfeeding strengthens the bonding between the mother and the baby. It does that by enhancing closeness and comfort, making the baby feel safe in the mother's arms. Benefit 4. Lowered risk of SIDS. According to research, breastfed babies have a decreased chance of sudden infant death syndrome. Breastfed babies have higher immunity towards infections that can turn fatal and end in SIDS. Benefit 5. Lowered risk of heart disease. Babies that are breastfed in the first 6 months are also less likely to develop heart diseases later on in life. Benefits of breastfeeding for the mother. Benefit 1. Emotional fulfillment and bonding. Oxytocin produced while nursing helps promote feelings of love and attachment with the baby. Similarly, the hormone prolactin enhances the mother's feelings and need to nurture the baby. Benefit 2. Lowers risk of breast cancer. Studies show that women who breastfeed have a lowered risk of breast cancer by as much as 25%. Benefit 3. Reduces postpartum problems. Breastfeeding women recover faster and easier from childbirth, as hormones such as oxytocin help the uterus return to normalcy quicker and reduce postpartum bleeding. Benefit 4. Lowers risk of ovarian cancer. Since it delays ovulation, breastfeeding helps prevent ovarian cancer. According to researchers, the risk of cell mutation, which triggers ovarian cancer, is higher when ovulation is frequent. Benefit 5. Natural and convenient. Breastfeeding always gives fresh milk that is safe and at the right temperature. There's no need to heat, boil or sterilize bottles, and it is a hassle-free feeding method that works at any time during the day. Breastfeeding has both physical and emotional benefits for both the mother and the baby. It is the best choice to feed the baby unless the mother cannot do so due to medical reasons.